Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, baby. Let's do breakfast.
But I haven't brushed my teeth yet.
Okay, go to the bathroom then.
I will go now.
Brush your teeth properly.
Okay, Mommy. Mommy, make orange juice for me.
Okay,
I am going to the bathroom now.
wait, Vini.
Yes, Mommy.
The bathroom lock is not working well.
Not working well?
Yes. The lock is a little broken.
Broken?
Broken means it does not work properly.
Oh, I understand.
So do not lock the door.
Okay, Mommy.
Just close it gently.
I get it.
Good, till then I will make orange juice for you.
Okay, thank you, Mommy. I will brush my teeth first. Brush, brush, brush. My teeth are clean now. Oh, door is open. I will close the door properly. Maybe I should lock it. Just a little. Oh, the door is locked now. That is okay. I will unlock it later. Now I will wash my face. Water is cold, but it feels fresh. Very clean and nice. Now I wipe my face with towel. Great! Everything is done. Now I will open the door. Turn the lock. It is not opening. I have to try again. The door is not opening. Oh no! The lock is stuck. Stuck means it cannot move. I cannot open the door. Mommy! Mommy!
Vini? Did you call me?
Mommy!
Yes, baby.
The door is not opening.
What? What do you mean?
I am locked inside.
Did you lock the door?
Yes.
Oh no. I told you not to lock it.
Sorry, Mommy, I forgot.
Don't panic.
I feel a little scared.
Relax, baby, Mummy is here.
Okay, Mommy.
Listen, baby, turn the lock slowly.
Slowly?
Yes, slowly, slowly.
I am trying, Mommy. But it is not moving.
Try again.
Okay, it is still stuck.
Okay. Try to pull the door.
Pull.
Pull means bring it toward you.
Oh, I am pulling it. It is not opening, Mommy.
I think lock broken completely.
Oh no. Mommy. I cannot come out.
Don't worry, baby, you will come out. Stay calm, take a deep breath. I will call your father.
Okay, Mommy, please come back soon.
I will go now. Honey,
What happened?
we have a problem.
What problem?
Vini is locked in the bathroom.
What? Locked in the bathroom?
Yes.
But how?
The lock is broken and she locked the door by mistake.
Oh no, is she okay?
She is scared.
I understand.
Yes, let's go now and do something.
Okay. Vini?
Papa.
Are you okay, baby?
I cannot open the door, Papa. Please open the door.
Don't worry. We will fix it.
Fix it?
Means repair or make it work again. I will call a locksmith.
Locksmith, what he do?
He install, repairs and maintain locks.
Oh,
He can open the door.
that is good.
Vini, sit on the stool.
Okay, Mommy. I will never lock the door again.
Lock the door is good habit, baby. But don't lock the broken door again.
Okay. Mommy, when will locksmith uncle come?
He will come soon.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
My daughter is locked inside.
Locked in room.
No, she locked in bathroom. Come inside and unlock the door.
Okay. I will check the door.
Please help us.
Don't worry. I fix locks every day.
That's great.
I need my tools.
Tools?
Tools are instruments which used to repair things.
Okay.
I will open the lock now.
Please hurry up.
Okay.
What is this?
It is screwdriver. It turned the screw.
Screw?
It holds things together.
Okay.
Done. Look, the door is open. Come out, little girl.
Mommy.
Vini. Are you okay?
Yes, Mommy. Thank you, Uncle.
It's okay, dear. I have to go now, sir.
Okay. Thank you for coming so quickly.
I am happy to help you.
How much is your fees?
400 rupees.
Here you go. Have a good day.
Yours too.
Were you scared?
Yes, Papa, I was scared.
But you stayed calm.
Because you are with me, Mommy.
My brave girl.
She is very brave girl.
What did you learn today?
Do not lock a broken door.
Very good.
And?
Stay calm in a problem.
Right.
Now let's eat breakfast.
Okay, I am very hungry.
Me too.
Your orange juice wait for you. Let's go.